As Russia's most modern tank, the T-90M has seen heavy losses. One of the responsible had been the Ukrainian drone army, as they know to try and hit the back section of the tank, as this has a lot less armor, making an effective hit much more probable. But as this Ukrainian drone came flying towards the T-90M tank head on, it seems the tank should have handled the hit. But as the tank had rotated the turret pointing backwards, the drone hit the turret's back section. As the tank stops, the crew have probably abandoned the tank due to the warhead penetrating into the tank, making unclear if the tank was engaging target behind, or if the tank turned the turret to try and increase survivability if getting hit from a drone from behind, which backfires in this case, leading to Russia's most modern tank getting destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.